Consider the power consumption of high-wattage lights, as they require more electricity, which can increase energy costs. Safety is paramount, so ensure the lighting setup complies with the electrical codes and minimizes the risk of fire hazards. Remember the impact on the tree. Avoid using methods that could damage it, such as stapling wires directly to the bark. Consider these recommended lighting options. Firstly, low-voltage LED string lights. Advantages of these lights are energy efficiency, low heat output, and a long lifespan. They can also be used with a transformer to connect multiple strands. To install them, wrap the lights around the tree, using plastic twist ties or wire hooks to secure them loosely. Secondly, tree lighting kits, which are designed specifically for tree lighting, typically include multiple strings of lights, a transformer, and mounting hardware. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for mounting and wiring the lights. Thirdly, uplighting, which illuminates the tree from the ground up, creating a dramatic effect. Place uplighting fixtures around the base of the tree, directing the light upwards. Fourthly, floodlighting, which provides broad illumination for larger trees. Mount floodlights on a pole or nearby structure and direct them towards the tree. When mounting, consider these recommendations. Use tree savers by wrapping the tree branches with tree savers such as rubberized bands or straps to protect the bark from friction caused by wires. Hang the lights loosely, allowing for some slack in the wires to accommodate tree growth. Secure wires to tree branches using wire clips designed for electrical applications. For additional tips for bird deterrence, consider the following. Firstly, use flashing lights. Birds are sensitive to sudden changes in light, so using lights with flashing or blinking patterns can be effective. Secondly, change light placement regularly by moving the lights around the tree to prevent birds from becoming habituated to their location. Thirdly, consider ultrasonic bird repellents, which emit high-frequency sounds that are inaudible to humans but can deter birds.